Hi, I'm Farah, I work at Avery UK and I use Design Print every single day. That makes me a semi-expert on these things, and today I'll be talking you through how to use our Edit 1 feature and how to use our curved text feature. One key thing to know is that our curved text feature is much easier to use than maybe Microsoft Word and other softwares available, so keep watching to find out how to do this. So the first thing we want to do is put in our product code that you'll find on the pack of labels that you bought from us, and then you have a bunch of designs that will come up that are suitable for it. We're going to choose a cute little robot here and we'll make him really big, and we'll pull out the navigator so we can see every single label. So we'll click back on our little robot, we'll go to the text bar, add a curved text, and then type in. So I'm going to go for Miss Smith thinks I'm a star, which is a nice little message to give to kids, right? So we'll put an exclamation mark, but we want to change the font because it's a bit too serious, so we'll go down and we'll choose something a bit more fun. Special Elite seems good. And then we'll change the font colour because it doesn't quite stand out enough. And we'll click on our little dropper tool here at the bottom, and then we can select any colour on the image and then we can change the font to that colour. So I'm choosing the little yellow eyes, and now it all stands out, it's bright and yellow. Okay, now we have our yellow font throughout all the labels, as you can see. We can see that one doesn't quite work with this curved text. To change the text on this one that's gone slightly wrong, we'll click on Edit 1, and then we will change the orientation on the left of the page, and we'll flip the orientation so it's down, and then flip the words so they're upwards and everyone can read them. And then we'll continue this on the other two. So change the orientation so it's at the bottom and then flip the text. And now we've done that, each label's perfect, but we've noticed another mistake, so we'll copy and paste this and take it to the yellow star. So as you can see, the curved text does not work on the yellow star, so we'll add a little text box of straight text and paste in the words. Change the colour to black so it stands out on the yellow. Yellow and yellow, not a good mix. And then we'll copy and paste this into the rest of the stars whilst deleting the curved text with the object list at the bottom. And now all of that's done, we'll preview and print. It looks pretty good to me, and we're ready to print. And that should give you the perfect print. So here we have them fresh off the printer, our labels. We have the little icons and the lovely text, nice yellow and bright. If you'd like to find out more about our free online design and print software, you can check out our Avery UK YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.